Welcome to our comprehensive guide on labor laws and HR compliance. In today's fast-paced business environment, understanding labor laws is essential for both employers and employees. These laws are designed to protect workers' rights while ensuring fair and ethical business practices. Throughout this video, we'll break down the key aspects of labor laws, highlight common compliance challenges, and provide practical tips for maintaining a lawful workplace. Whether you're an HR professional, a business owner, or an employee, this series will help you navigate the complexities of labor regulations with confidence. Labor laws are a set of rules and regulations established by governments to govern the relationship between employers and employees. These laws cover a wide range of topics, including wages, working hours, workplace safety, discrimination, and employee benefits. The main goal is to create a balanced environment where workers are treated fairly and businesses can operate efficiently. Understanding the basics of labor laws is the first step toward building a compliant and respectful workplace. Compliance with labor laws is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about fostering a positive work culture and protecting your organization's reputation. When companies adhere to labor regulations, they minimize the risk of lawsuits, government fines, and employee dissatisfaction. Moreover, compliance demonstrates a commitment to ethical practices, which can boost employee morale and attract top talent. In the following scenes, we'll explore the key areas of HR compliance and how to address them effectively. One of the most fundamental aspects of labor laws is wage and hour regulations. These laws set standards for minimum wage, overtime pay, and working hours. Employers must ensure that employees are compensated fairly for their time, and that overtime is paid according to legal requirements. Failure to comply with wage and hour laws can result in costly lawsuits and damage to your company's reputation. It's crucial to keep accurate records of hours worked and wages paid to stay compliant. Ensuring a safe workplace is a legal and moral responsibility for employers. Workplace safety laws require businesses to provide a hazard-free environment and proper safety training. This includes maintaining equipment, offering protective gear, and reporting workplace injuries. By prioritizing safety, companies not only comply with the law but also show genuine care for their employees' well-being. A safe workplace leads to higher productivity and lower accident rates. Anti-discrimination laws are designed to ensure equal opportunities for all employees, regardless of race, gender, age, religion, or disability. Employers must implement fair hearing practices, provide reasonable accommodations, and prevent workplace harassment. Violating these laws can lead to severe legal consequences and harm your organization's culture. Promoting diversity and inclusion not only fulfills legal obligations, but also enhances creativity and innovation within your team. Family and medical leave laws allow employees to take time off for personal or family health issues without fear of losing their jobs. These laws outline eligibility, duration, and job protection during leave. Employers must clearly communicate leave policies and ensure that employees are not penalized for taking legally protected leave. Supporting employees during difficult times builds trust and loyalty, which benefits the entire organization. Employee benefits are an important part of labor laws and HR compliance. These may include health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and other perks. Employers are required to provide certain benefits by law, while others are offered as incentives to attract and retain talent. Understanding which benefits are mandatory and which are optional helps businesses remain compliant and competitive in the job market. Properly classifying employees as either exempt or non-exempt is crucial for wage and hour compliance. Misclassification can lead to unpaid overtime claims and government penalties. Employers must understand the criteria for each classification and apply them consistently. Regularly reviewing job descriptions and employment contracts helps prevent costly mistakes and ensures that all employees are treated fairly under the law. Accurate record keeping is a cornerstone of HR compliance. Employers are required to maintain detailed records of employee hours, wages, benefits, and other employment-related information. These records must be kept for a specified period and made available for government inspections if necessary. Good record-keeping practices not only ensure compliance, but also help resolve disputes quickly and efficiently. Clear and comprehensive workplace policies are essential for HR compliance. These policies set expectations for employee behavior, outline disciplinary procedures, and ensure consistency in decision-making. Regularly updating policies to reflect changes in the law and best practices helps prevent misunderstandings and legal issues. Transparent communication of policies builds trust and accountability within the organization. Ongoing training and education are vital for maintaining HR compliance. Employees and managers should receive regular training on workplace safety, anti-discrimination, and company policies. This ensures everyone understands their rights and responsibilities. Investing in training not only reduces the risk of violations, but also empowers employees to contribute to a positive and compliant workplace culture. A robust complaint handling process is a key element of HR compliance. Employees should feel comfortable reporting concerns without fear of retaliation. Employers must investigate complaints promptly and take appropriate action. Transparent and fair complaint procedures help resolve issues internally and demonstrate a commitment to a respectful workplace. Protecting employee privacy is an important aspect of HR compliance. Employers must handle personal information with care and comply with data protection laws. This includes securing records, limiting access to sensitive information, and informing employees about their privacy rights. Respecting privacy builds trust and reduces the risk of data breaches. Proper termination procedures are essential for legal compliance and maintaining a positive reputation. Employers must follow legal requirements for notice, final pay, and documentation. Treating departing employees with respect and fairness reduces the risk of wrongful termination claims and helps preserve your company's image. With the rise of remote work, HR compliance has become more complex. Employers must ensure that remote employees receive the same protections and benefits as those working on-site. This includes tracking hours, providing necessary equipment, and maintaining communication. Adapting policies for remote work helps organizations stay compliant in a changing work environment. Diversity and inclusion are not just buzzwords, they are legal and ethical imperatives. Employers must actively promote a diverse workforce and prevent discrimination. This includes implementing inclusive hearing practices, offering diversity training, and fostering an environment where everyone feels valued. A diverse workplace drives innovation and compliance. Labor laws protect employees' rights to organize, join unions, and bargain collectively. Employers must respect these rights and avoid interfering with union activities. Understanding union-related regulations helps prevent legal disputes and fosters positive labor relations. Open communication and mutual respect are key to successful union management relationships. Child labor laws set strict limits on the employment of minors. These laws regulate the types of work, hours, and conditions under which young people can be employed. Employers must verify the age of workers and comply with all restrictions to avoid severe penalties. Protecting young workers is a fundamental aspect of labor law compliance. Equal pay for equal work is a core principle of labor law. Employers must ensure that compensation is based on job responsibilities and performance, not on gender, race, or other protected characteristics. Conducting regular pay audits helps identify and correct disparities, ensuring compliance and fairness. Preventing workplace harassment is a legal and ethical obligation. Employers must establish clear policies, provide training, and respond promptly to complaints. A zero-tolerance approach to harassment creates a safer and more respectful work environment for everyone. Labor laws require employers to provide reasonable accommodations for employees with disabilities. This may include modifying workspaces, adjusting schedules, or providing assistive technology. Open communication with employees about their needs ensures compliance and demonstrates a commitment to inclusion. An up-to-date employee handbook is a valuable tool for HR compliance. It outlines company policies, procedures, and employee rights. Distributing and regularly updating the handbook ensures that everyone is informed about their responsibilities and the company's expectations. Government agencies may conduct audits to ensure compliance with labor laws. Employers should be prepared by maintaining accurate records and cooperating fully during inspections. Proactive compliance reduces the risk of penalties and demonstrates a commitment to lawful operations. Modern HR technology tools can simplify compliance by automating record-keeping, tracking hours, and managing benefits. Choosing the right software helps reduce errors and ensures that your organization stays up to date with changing regulations. Technology is a valuable ally in the quest for HR compliance. For companies with a global presence, understanding international labor laws is essential. Each country has its own regulations regarding employment, benefits, and workplace safety. Staying informed about local laws helps multinational organizations avoid legal issues and operate smoothly across borders. Conducting regular HR audits helps identify compliance gaps and areas for improvement. These audits review policies, procedures, and records to ensure alignment with current laws. Addressing issues proactively reduces the risk of violations and strengthens your HR practices. Labor laws and HR regulations are constantly evolving. Employers must stay informed about legal changes by subscribing to updates, attending seminars, and consulting legal experts. Staying proactive ensures ongoing compliance and protects your organization from unexpected challenges. Even well-intentioned employers can make compliance mistakes. Common errors include misclassifying employees, neglecting record-keeping, and failing to update policies. Recognizing these pitfalls and addressing them quickly helps maintain compliance and avoid costly consequences. Summary: labor laws and HR compliance are critical for building a fair, safe, and productive workplace. By understanding key regulations, implementing strong policies, and staying informed, employers can protect their organizations and support their employees. Remember, compliance is an ongoing process that requires attention to detail and a commitment to ethical practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey to HR compliance excellence.